adults, especially in the diamond ranks, are here to spend time together, celebrate their success, and meet with like-minded people building the same businesses across the globe.
But for most of you, a year hasn't even passed yet. Here we are, maybe at your second, third, fourth retreat.
It's been amazing. We had amazing 3 days full of programs, full of leadership. We had the opportunity to make so many different connections and to live like the lifestyle we've always dreamed of.
I'm really happy to live what I live today. I remember back in the day, I was always liking the pictures in Instagram with a picture of Maldives with a little house upon the sea. And now I live that here. I was living like a dream.
After leaving this beautiful resort, being recharged, we gotta turn a new chapter for our career in Validus.
Don't miss out on the next retreat. You definitely want to be here, but you don't want to be here by yourself. You want to bring your whole organization with you. Remember, these trips are going to take you and your business to a whole different level.
We are spending 3 amazing days in Maldives for the retreat of diamonds.
So I encourage every single one of you guys to work towards the next retreat because this company gets bigger and better every single time that we meet these founders.